Hi all. Today's video is on scatter plot. Scatter plots are also known as scatter chart or dot plot and are mostly used to show relationship between two numeric variables. Suppose if you want to show relationship between profit and sales for a range of products, scatter plots can be used. Scatter plots are also used to show trends or outliers or clusters. Let's see how to create a scatter plot in Power BI desktop. The dataset that I am using is a Superstore dataset which can be easily available on the internet. So let's select a scatter plot, which is a graph and dot uh, chart in the visualizations pane. Now we drag our profits into x-axis and we drag our sales to y-axis. You can see one dot has been formed here. This is the total profit and sales. Let me drag subcategory to the values field. I'm choosing subcategory. You can choose the relationship which you need for your variable. Now we can see for every subcategory it has provided us with profit and sales at that point of time. So our basic scatter plot is ready. To make it more informative, let's add region into the legends field. Now we can see our subcategory has been divided by regions. Let's remove the regions now. To make it more informative, I'm adding quantity to the size field. Now we can see a bubble has been formed for each category. Here, greater the bubble, greater is the number of units sold or quantities sold. One more interesting feature in scatterplot is the animations that we can build on our scatterplot, and these are inbuilt animations. So let me drag the order date to play axis field. Now if I click on play, this will go date by date and you will see some animation here building up. What we can do is we go to the play axis field in order date, select instead of order date, select on date hierarchy. Now our data set ranges has 4 years, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So now if I click on play, you will see all your subcategories in one place. So that is how simple and easy scatter plot. Let's see how we can format our visual. We go to the formatting tab. Under formatting tab, we go to markers, and from the shape, we can select the shape of bubble that we need based on your choice. The color border that you want. Under color by category, you can select the colors that you need for each of your subcategory. So I'm keeping it same constant for all for this video. Also we can go to general, and these are the usual title one where you can provide a decent title for your scatter plot, background color, visual border. This we have already discussed in our other Power BI videos. Plot. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you for watching.